on, Baden. Get it, Baden. Get the bunnies. No, no, no. Get the bunnies. You were just barking at them. Get them. Baden, get them. Will you? No, Baden. Get the bunny. Come on, Baden. Get it, girl. Get it, girl. Angler's helping her. Oh, Baden. Get it, Baden. Get it. Get the bunnies. Get the bunnies. Baden, get them. Good girl. Get them, Baden. Get all that nose on you. All that dirt on your nose. Oh, great. What's she got now? Oh, that's like a gigantic cake-covered leaf. Beautiful. Good find, Baden. But right now we sort of want the rabbits. Angler's going back and forth, training his trainee and making sure that they don't get out this side. Get it, babe. Get it, boy. Get it, boy. Get him. Good girl, Baden. Angler, get him. How is Baden supposed to learn if you just took her spot? Angler's happy. Come on, Baden. Here, you can go the other side, baby. Come on. Oh, you are just dirt coated. Angler, let Baden get in there. You get the other side, boy. Come on. Other side. Good boy. Good boy, Angs. Good girl, Baden, did you? Okay. Baden can fit through there if she wants. Look, she's so happy. You're so happy. Look at your little tails. Look. Look at ya. Angler. Get him, boy. And they're off. Oh, never mind. There they are. They're solgy. There's Baden. Baden, you've gotten too big, baby. Look at her little marks in the dirt. Baden's putting in a bark or two. Look at how happy they are. You guys are enjoying themselves. Get those rabbits. Get those rabbits. Get them, boy. Get them, boy. Cute. Good girl, Baden. Trying to keep the live coverage going here, folks. Where'd Baden go? There is she. Oh, Baden, it's okay, baby. Come on. Baden, good girl. There goes Baden through there. See if we can get a better look at theirs. There's the tail. Oh, look, Baden's trying to fit through there. Good luck, baby. Angler's getting all fussed. See, I'm waiting for them to come shooting out of this end. Go on, Baden. Go on, Baden. Good girl. Good girl, Baden.